Number 1. 1968 Ford Mustang GT. Price, $7,900. Location, Sacramento, California. This 1968 Ford Mustang GT is a classic American muscle car offered at an affordable project price of $7,900. Located in Sacramento, California, this Mustang has 113,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. The vehicle features a clean and straight body with solid floors and no rust, which is a major advantage for a classic car of this age. The white exterior paint is fading, consistent with natural aging, but the body structure remains strong and well preserved. This makes it an excellent foundation for a restoration or restomod project. Inside, the Mustang has a complete blue interior. While the interior will need a new interior kit to reach its full potential, all major components are present, making the restoration process more straightforward. The overall condition of the car is described as good, with no significant damage or major mechanical issues reported. This Mustang was previously owned by the same owner for 32 years, indicating long-term care and stable ownership history. The car starts and runs, allowing it to be moved and evaluated easily, which is ideal for buyers looking for a solid project vehicle rather than a non-running shell. Overall, this 1968 Ford Mustang GT represents a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts seeking an iconic American muscle car with strong bones, clear restoration potential, and an attractive entry price in today's classic car market. Number 2. 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III. Price, $7,500. Location, Sacramento, California. This 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III is a classic American luxury coupe offered at an excellent value of $7,500. Located in Sacramento, California, this vehicle has 85,000 original miles and features an automatic transmission paired with a gasoline engine. Finished in green with a matching green interior, this Mark III delivers the elegant styling and smooth ride Lincoln was known for during the late 1960s. The car runs and drives exceptionally well and has been very well maintained throughout its life. It is a one-owner California car, smog exempt, and comes with a clean title in hand, along with 2 sets of keys. The vehicle is equipped with desirable factory luxury features, including power windows and power seats, enhancing comfort and usability. A brand new vinyl top is included and still in the box, allowing the next owner to install it when desired. Recent maintenance has been extensive, making this Mark III a dependable classic cruiser. Updates include an Edelbrock carburetor, new spark plugs and wires, starter solenoid, window motors, distributor cap, contact points, coolant hoses, battery cables, ignition switch, and all new fluids. Additional work includes a new water pump, ignition coil, drive belts, fan clutch, fuel pump, fuel lines, air filter, radiator, battery, starter, brakes, and tires. Overall, this 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III offers classic luxury, strong mechanical condition, and excellent documentation, making it ideal for collectors, weekend drivers, or anyone seeking a well-maintained vintage American luxury car. Number 3. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $6,000. Location, West Valley City, Utah. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu is a classic American midsize car offered at an attractive price of $6,000. Located in West Valley City, Utah, this Malibu has 60,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. Finished in green with a matching green interior, this Malibu reflects the timeless styling of late 1970s Chevrolet vehicles. The exterior presents a clean and straightforward appearance, while the interior maintains a classic layout that emphasizes comfort and simplicity. The color combination adds to the car's vintage charm and originality. This Malibu is described as a V8 project car that runs and drives, making it a solid starting point for restoration or customization. With only 2 previous owners and a fully paid status, the vehicle has a stable ownership history. The fact that it starts, runs, and drives is a major advantage for buyers looking for a project that can be moved and evaluated easily. The Chevrolet Malibu has long been appreciated for its balanced design, strong aftermarket support, and versatility as both a cruiser and a performance build. This example offers a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts seeking an affordable entry into vintage American cars. Whether you plan to restore it to factory condition, build a mild performance car, or simply enjoy it as a weekend cruiser, this 1978 Chevrolet Malibu provides excellent potential and value in today's classic car market. Number 4. 1976 Cadillac DeVille Coupe. Price, $6,500. Location, Whitehall, Montana. This 1976 Cadillac DeVille Coupe is a classic full-size American luxury car offered at an excellent price of $6,500. Located in Whitehall, Montana, this Cadillac has approximately 125,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Powered by Cadillac's legendary 500 cubic inch engine, this DeVille delivers smooth performance and the unmistakable sound that defines 1970s American luxury. A newer 2.5-inch exhaust system has been installed, enhancing the engine's tone while maintaining drivability. The car can be driven anywhere, making it a strong candidate for someone looking for a dependable classic cruiser. The exterior is finished in an off-white color and retains a solid and well-preserved body. As is common with vinyl top Cadillacs of this era, there is a small amount of rust present around the vinyl top area, however, it is described as very fixable. Aside from that, the body, trunk, and floor pans are in excellent condition. Inside, the interior is very clean and reflects the comfort-focused design Cadillac was known for. The braking system is noted to be slightly soft, which is typical for a vehicle of this age and may require minor attention. Overall, this 1976 Cadillac DeVille Coupe represents outstanding value for a clean, drivable classic luxury car. It is ideal for collectors, weekend cruising, or anyone seeking a comfortable and iconic American classic at an accessible price point. Number 5. 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $6,000. Location, Walker, Iowa. This 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a low-mileage survivor and an excellent example of a well-preserved mid-1970s American classic. Offered at $6,000, this vehicle is located in Walker, Iowa, and shows just 45,000 original miles. Powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Malibu delivers smooth and reliable performance. It is equipped with factory front disc brakes and factory air conditioning, adding to its comfort and drivability. A full tune-up was completed in the summer of 2025, and the car starts, runs, and drives well. The exterior is finished in green and is matched with a black interior that remains in perfect original condition. The body is solid and retains much of its original character, making this Malibu an increasingly rare find at such low mileage. The clean title further supports its well-kept status. Minor imperfections include a windshield that will need replacement and a hood that is slightly tweaked, as shown in the photos. These issues are cosmetic and do not detract from the car's overall drivability or value. This Malibu Classic makes a great cruiser, an ideal entry-level classic, or a solid foundation for a restoration or resto-mod build. With survivor examples becoming harder to find, especially with mileage this low, this 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic represents excellent value in today's classic car market. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet K20 Regular Cab Long Bed 4x4. Price, $6,000. Location, Pea Ridge, Arkansas. This 1978 Chevrolet K20 Regular Cab Long Bed is a classic heavy-duty 4x4 pickup offered at a fair price of $6,000. Located in Pea Ridge, Arkansas, this truck shows approximately 79,350 miles and features a gasoline-powered engine paired with a manual transmission. Powered by a 350 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual gearbox, this K20 delivers the rugged performance and durability Chevrolet trucks are known for. It is a second-owner vehicle and has been fully paid, reflecting a straightforward ownership history. The truck starts, runs, and drives, making it a usable classic rather than a non-running project. The exterior is finished in blue and sits on 10-ply Cooper Discoverer all-terrain tires, providing a strong stance and added capability. A new battery has recently been installed, contributing to dependable starting and operation. As expected for its age and model, the truck has typical rust in the cab corners, rocker panels, and fenders, which is common and should be considered in any restoration plan. This K20 offers excellent potential as a weekend work truck, off-road build, or classic 4x4 restoration project. With its long bed configuration, manual transmission, and proven V8 power, it remains highly desirable among vintage truck enthusiasts. Overall, this 1978 Chevrolet K20 represents solid value in today's classic truck market. Number 7. 1962 Dodge D200 Sweepline Pickup. Price, $7,500. Location, Portland, Tennessee. This 1962 Dodge D200 Sweepline is a classic American pickup that highlights the rugged design and straightforward engineering of early 1960s Dodge trucks. Offered at $7,500, this vintage vehicle is located in Portland, Tennessee, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, this D200 is powered by a 318 cubic inch engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering an authentic and engaging classic truck driving experience. Several key mechanical components have recently been replaced, including a new carburetor, fuel pump, water pump, spark plugs, and ignition wires. These updates improve reliability and make the truck a solid candidate for continued use or light restoration. The exterior is finished in black and is matched with a black interior, giving the truck a bold and timeless appearance. The Sweepline body style is known for its clean, straight lines and utilitarian charm, making it highly desirable among classic truck enthusiasts. Inside, the cabin maintains a simple and functional layout, staying true to its original work truck roots. With an indicated mileage of 1,234 miles, this Dodge D200 presents itself as a classic pickup with strong character and vintage appeal. It is well suited for collectors, classic truck fans, or anyone looking for a unique project or weekend cruiser. Whether preserved as is or further restored, this 1962 Dodge D200 Sweepline offers excellent value in today's growing classic truck market. Number 8. 1975 Dodge D350 Club Cab Dually. Price, $4,999. Location, Casson, Minnesota. This 1975 Dodge D350 Club Cab Dually is a rare and distinctive classic pickup offered at an affordable price of $4,999. Located in Casson, Minnesota, this truck shows approximately 94,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Equipped with a 360 V8 engine and a 2-wheel drive configuration, this D350 delivers strong performance and classic Dodge truck character. Not many of these extended cab dually trucks were produced, making this example particularly appealing to collectors and vintage truck enthusiasts. The truck runs and drives, and the frame is described as clean and solid. The exterior is finished in blue and matched with a blue interior. While the truck presents well overall, it will need floor pan repairs, some minor body work, exhaust attention, and interior updates. These needs make it an ideal winter project for someone looking to bring a rare classic truck back to its full potential. Several new parts have already been installed, including a new battery, a rebuilt carburetor, a new fuel pump, and newer tires with approximately 75% tread remaining. In addition, brand new dually fenders are included with the sale and will only need to be painted and installed. Overall, this 1975 Dodge D350 Club Cab Dually offers a unique opportunity to own a rare classic truck with strong potential, making it a great project vehicle and a rewarding restoration candidate. Number 9. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Regular Cab Long Bed. Price, $5,200. Location, Midland, Texas. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long bed is a dependable classic pickup offered at a competitive price of $5,200. Located in Midland, Texas, this truck shows 78,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. This C10 is a Cheyenne trim model and features a 305 V8 engine, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The truck is a two-wheel drive configuration and is described as a daily driver that starts, runs, and drives consistently in both hot and cold weather conditions. A significant amount of recent maintenance and upgrades have been completed, making this truck mechanically solid. New and replaced components include the steering gearbox, power steering lines and fluid, fuel pump, ignition components, water pump, wiper motor, headlights, taillights, upholstery, turn signal switch, A and B pillar trim, headliner trim, window seals, door seals, grille, window tint, tires, sliding rear window latch, glove box, and newer brake shoes and pads. The exterior is finished in blue and is matched with a blue interior, maintaining a classic and cohesive appearance. The interior updates contribute to improved comfort while preserving the truck's vintage character. The only known issue is that the air conditioning is not currently operational. Overall, this 1981 Chevrolet C10 represents an excellent opportunity to own a reliable, well-maintained classic pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed immediately. Number 10. 1985 Chevrolet S10 Pickup. Price, $1,300. Location, not specified. This 1985 Chevrolet S10 pickup is an affordable classic compact truck offered at just $1,300. This vehicle represents a great opportunity for buyers looking for a budget-friendly project or a solid platform for an engine swap. Powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this S10 shows approximately 142,000 miles. The seller believes the engine is currently out of time and has chosen not to pursue repairs, making this truck best suited for a mechanical project or drivetrain upgrade. Despite this, the truck remains solid and straight overall. The exterior is finished in black and is paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and simple appearance. The body is in good condition for its age, with only one noticeable rust spot located on the bed. Newer wheels and tires have been installed, adding value and improving its overall stance. The Chevrolet S10 is well known for its lightweight design, strong aftermarket support, and versatility. This example would make an excellent candidate for an engine swap, a light restoration, or repairing the existing 4-cylinder power plant. Its compact size also makes it ideal for a street build or utility project. Overall, this 1985 Chevrolet S10 pickup offers strong potential at a very low entry price. With some mechanical attention, it could become a reliable driver or a unique custom truck.